Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Ariovit and in this tutorial I will show you how to write emoticons on YouTube. I will show you how to do it, so you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment and let's go. So to use emoticons in your commentary, you need to click on add commentary. And here you have option like smile, and here you have also smile. Here's of smile. No, are many emoticons, and here are also many emoticons, but in other settings. Okay, and now you may add emoticons which you want. Yes. Okay, and later you click on the comment. And you did it. So that's all in this tutorial. As you can see, it's working. So thanks for watching. You may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye and see you next time. Thanks.